Hi, today I want to show you some of the amazing features of SOFTEL's phone onboarding bot and how it can easily replace your expensive white glove service to migrate users from your legacy phone platform to a modern workplace platform like Microsoft Teams. Our phone onboarding bot is a Teams native solution and is accessed by the end user for the Teams single sign-on. The interface is very clean. In the central part of the screen, we have a header displaying the client and distributor branding that can be fully customized. Each adoption project can have different phases, and the phase names are configurable. In this demo, we have three main phases: pre-migration, migration, and post-migration. You can see in the screen that each phase has a status. Let's go ahead and click on the first phase. Users will not be able to access the following phases until they have completed all the steps in the active phase. When the user enters the pre-migration phase, they will be guided through the migration process step by step, and they won't be able to skip ahead without completing all of them. However, at any point within the same phase, the user can go back and revisit their answers. If something is not clear, the user can always get help by clicking on the Help button. The question field is already pre-populated with the instructions in the step the user is at, and the answer provides further clarifications. However, the user can also ask unrelated questions using natural language. The Microsoft AI components running in the background, like Q&A, Luis, and Orchestrator, will find the best relevant answer from a database that already contains hundreds of Q&A pairs, including links to videos or interactive content. If the user cannot find what they need, they can get human help by opening a service request with the help desk. By clicking on the Raise a Ticket button, the user is redirected to a page that is pre-populated with their user details and all the metadata gathering their actions within the app and their status in the process. This saves them and the help desk resources a lot of time. Once the ticket is complete, click on Submit and the ticket number will be immediately generated, followed by an email. In this demo, the app integrates with ServiceNow. Now we can complete our steps for the rest of the phase. Throughout the process, the user will receive notifications and emails with reminders whenever a critical milestone is approaching and to keep them engaged. Like that, we will go for different phases until the migration process is complete and documented with auditable stats. As you can see, Phone Onboarding Bot offers a smooth user experience that is frustration-free for administrators too. SOFTEL has already used Phone Onboarding Bot to onboard more than 80,000 users, and our largest customers have successfully migrated up to 50,000 users in less than 8 months with no rollback. If that's not amazing enough, we want to give you another reason to love our Phone Onboarding Bot. Once the migration is over, from the admin platform, your administrators can trigger test calls to validate that your users are up and running. You can do that with a single user, as shown here, or with batches of users. Here, we have selected a user. You can see their contact number in the user details, and we click on the Place Test Call button to trigger the test. First, our user will receive an adaptive card in Teams telling them that a phone call is coming from our number. The call will be delayed by 30 seconds, but you can customize the delay. Then the call will be placed. The system will log the results of the test and will appear in the user's information. Our technology can detect if it was a human answering the call, a machine, or if the call went to voicemail. If a human answered the call, we will also send another adaptive card to have them confirm if they received the call, and the log will be updated with that information too. Just think at how many people hours you can save by having a machine validating your users. But that's not all. We are building other amazing features to our phone onboarding bot with analytics, gamification, and call quality testing. Discover more at softel.com.